Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Windows, giving you more flexibility for your gaming setup. Connecting your controller is simpler than you might think, whether you prefer a wired or wireless connection method. We will cover both approaches, ensuring you can start playing your favorite PC games quickly and easily. Get ready to enhance your PC gaming experience with your familiar and comfortable controller. Connecting your controller with a wire is incredibly simple and often provides the most reliable connection. First, locate a micro USB cable, which is very common for various electronics. Just plug one end into the top of your PlayStation 4 controller and the other end into any open USB port on your Windows computer. Your system will typically recognize the controller within a few moments, ready for immediate use without extra software. For a wireless experience, ensure your computer has Bluetooth functionality, preferably Bluetooth version 4.0 or greater for best performance. To begin, hold down both the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller until the light bar flashes quickly. This indicates it is in pairing mode. Next, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, search for new devices, and select wireless controller to complete the pairing process. You are now untethered. For advanced features and broader game compatibility, consider using DS4 Windows, a very popular and free software. This application allows your PlayStation 4 controller to perfectly emulate an Xbox 360 controller, making it instantly recognized by nearly all PC games. You can download and install it easily from its official website. DS4 Windows also provides deep customization, letting you remap buttons, adjust sensitivity, and even change the light bar colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.